When you open up Adobe After Effects for the first time, you're greeted with a welcome screen that allows you to create a new project or open a project. In this case, we're going to create a new project. The first time After Effects is opened, it will give you many helpful tips. You can click these away. By default, it will be an untitled project, which isn't very helpful. So it's a good idea to go ahead and File, Save As. While it is possible to collect your footage and save an archived After Effects project file, it's best practice when you're working to keep all of your footage and your project file in the same folder. So here I have an After Effects project folder in my labeled After Effects project file along with footage that I'm going to use. And I'll click Save. Now I can import footage into my composition or create new compositions. So there's two buttons here, New Composition from Footage or New Composition. If I click New Composition, it gives me some presets that I can choose. I can label my composition, and I can choose the settings for the composition. The default duration for a composition is 30 seconds. You may want a longer or shorter composition, and you can change it here. Now the composition is displayed on the timeline, but there's no content. File, Import, File automatically goes to your project folder, making it easy to import footage. Now the footage is in the project file. The footage can be put into the composition, but in this case, our footage is a different frame rate and a different size than our composition. Another way is to drag the footage to the New Comp button right here. This will create a composition with the same settings as your footage. Now your After Effects project is set up and you're ready to begin working with your compositions.